In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Yahoo Mail. First, begin by signing into your Yahoo Mail account. This step is crucial because you need to access your account settings. Look for the sign-in page, where you will enter your Yahoo username and password. Once you log in, you will be taken to your inbox. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's been a while since you last logged in. By signing in, you are ensuring that you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. This is the first step towards updating your language and region preferences. Once you are in your inbox, the next step is to open your account info. To do this, look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Info. This section contains all the relevant settings related to your account. It is important to navigate here because it is where you will find options to adjust your preferences. You are now one step closer to changing your language and region settings. After accessing account info, you will need to click on Preferences. This option is usually found in the left-hand menu of the account info section. Clicking on Preferences will take you to a new page that allows you to customize how your Yahoo Mail looks and operates. This is a significant step because it is where you can make changes that best suit your needs. Once you click on Preferences, you will see several options available to you, including language settings, which is what we are focused on today. Now select Language Preference. Here you will find a list of languages and regions available for selection. This step is essential because it allows you to choose a language that you are comfortable with, enhancing your experience on the platform. It's also important to note that while you can change your language and region preferences, the country of account creation typically cannot be altered. Once you see the list, take your time to choose the language that suits you best. Next, choose your preferred language/region from the list. Scroll through the options and click on the one that you want to set. This action is vital because it directly affects how the interface of your Yahoo Mail will appear. Selecting the right language ensures that you can navigate and understand the settings better. After making your choice, it's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct option. This small step can save you time later, avoiding any confusion during your usage of the service. Finally, click Done to save your changes. This is a crucial step as it confirms your selections and updates your preferences in Yahoo Mail. Once you click Done, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your preferences have been successfully updated. This confirmation gives you peace of mind, ensuring that your changes are saved and will be reflected next time you log in. By following these steps, you can easily update your language and region settings in Yahoo Mail, enhancing your overall experience. Remember, while you cannot change the original country of your account, adjusting your language preferences can greatly improve your interaction with the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.